Hello all. Now in this video what we will do is we will try to show this icon on this tweet card along with this user and @user handle. So we will try to show at least these three things in this video. So let's go back to our VS Code and start writing the code. So as you can see, my VS Code is open, and now first of all, in order to use this icons on the LWC, you have to find the name of the icon, and that you can find from this. Again, from SLDS you have to search, go to the icons /icons, and from here you can type the thing which you want to search for. So here I want to show some user icon here. As you can see, we are showing the profile picture of a user, that is why it is a user. So I have searched for user, and this was the one which is having the name people. This is the one which we are using, and for that you have to set the icon name as standard and colon people. So if you are using something from utility, so you have to set the icon name as utility add user. So let's see this in action now. So first of all, what I will do is I will create one more layout inside this lightning layout item. I will create one more layout. So here I will create the layout lightning layout. Why I am creating it? Because here we want to show the image, and after that we also want to show this user name along with the user handle on the same line. That is why I am using lightning layout here. After that I will create two lightning layout items. So lightning layout item, this is the first one, and we need to create one more for the user handle. So let's create that as well. Or what I can do is I can just copy paste it, Control C and Control V, and save it. And this should be removed. Save it. Now here on this line we will use the lightning icon tag. So let's use the lightning icon. So lightning icon, and here we have to set icon name, and as we have decided the standard category, and under that the name of the icon, which is people. After that you can also give alternative text. So sometimes if the speed is slow, there is some network issue, the icon doesn't load. So instead of the icon it can show this text, and we also need to add a title equals to people, because this is for, I will tell you the reason after some time why we use this. I forgot the name of the word. So let's save it and see. Also let me write a p tag here also, like we need to show user and @user. So I will write a p tag user. Inside it I will use span @user. Let's save it and see the changes. Deploy this source to org. It is deployed. Let's refresh the page and see the changes. The icon should be visible here along with user and @user. It is taking time to load. Let's wait few more seconds. And as you can see, it's taking time. I hope everything renders correctly. As you can see, we aren't seeing the icon. What could be the issue? Let's see if I have done something wrong. Lightning icon, and then icon. Okay, this is the mistake I have done. Instead of this I have to use this, by this hyphen I have to use instead of column, and as you can see it is also giving us an error. Let me refresh the page again, because colon is used in the aura component and this hyphen is used in the LWC. So now it is deployed. Let's see. As you can see now, the images. Let me refresh it once more. People is correct. The native text is people and title is also. Let's see. So there might be some network issue because of it. As you can see now it is loaded. Let's also add padding into this one of the uh, lightning layout item, so it will look more. Here I will add padding around all. So there will be some space around the icon and the user text. And in the next video we will create a CSS file for more styling, like we need to show these cards along with this hover effect. So we will do everything in the next video. The buttons we will cover into the one video after that. And this internet speed I can't control. You can see now there is some space between the icon and the text. Okay, so in the next video we will continue with more styling. That's it. Thank you very much.